What is going on, you peeps? How you doing? It's gonna go from the downspout to the corrugated pipe. Easy squeeze me. You see, all this is way more wet. See how it's darker? I'm gonna get the excavators, come back out and do kind of some more final grading, type grading. I mean, even after the fact, I want these black pipe here to just get water out of here, because I hate it. I hate water, unless I'm swimming in it or drinking it. I'm gonna get my shoes dirty. Grab a piece of OSB. And just make a bridge. Look at that. I'm such an architect slash engineer slash supermodel slash amazing husband slash awesome friend. Actually, no, if you're friends with me, I've been the worst friend ever. Sorry, because all I've been doing is building this house. But sorry, last one. And that's that. All right, let's go plant some trees, shall we? I'm gonna show you guys a new auger that I purchased. And we're gonna go see how it works. I've already used it for putting the mailbox in, but I'm gonna use it for tree planting. I think it's gonna do good. All right. All right, so here's the property line, right there. That little stake there, all the way down there. Basically where it's mowed and where it's not mowed. Because ain't nobody got time to mow the lawn when you're building a house, unlike these neighbors. All they do is mow. Gosh. Anyway, so I'm thinking from the property line, I want to go like 15 feet over and just go down here in a couple rows. So a couple rows is what I'm looking at. Yeah, I mean, maybe even starting like right here. It's not too close to the house. Not too far either, but there's no real reason to get too close to the house. Again, when you're doing fruit trees aren't something you go and have to maintain daily, so they don't have to be super close. Unlike a garden you want close. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mark where we're gonna kind of measure out from the property line, about 15 feet, and these trees I'm planning on keeping small. All right, I'm gonna prune them back so that they're small trees. They're gonna very much be kind of like dwarfs, but they don't have dwarf rootstock. So, but I'm gonna prune them back that much. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think we have like 12 trees in all, maybe more. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so here's what we got. We got black Tartarian, Lambert cherry. We got brown turkey fig, Methley plum, Santa Rosa plum, Macintosh apples, wine sap apples, Asian pears, Alberta peach, June gold peach, Moore Park apricot, and Tilton apricot. So all these are self-pollinating except for the apricots. Those apricots, they need to be together to pollinate, cross-pollinate each other. Otherwise, every one of them is self-pollinating, which I dig it, okay? Less maintenance, don't have to worry about adding more fruit. Well, now, how many was that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, just like I thought. Let's dig our first hole, shall we? And we'll see how this Ryobi Auger 40-volt brushless works. Okay, I'll show you guys how it works. It works. I did it in the. It was good. All right, I've been at it for a little bit now. A little storm came through, and I know it doesn't look like it now because the skies are like super clear, but a little storm came through, rained me out for about an hour, but now it's really windy, so sorry if the audio's crackling, but now I've been at it, and I'm gonna show you how I dig this last one. Not in this row. I already did 6, as you can see. Okay, I got them staked in the ground, tied up. I've been using this piece of plywood, which has been super helpful for when I get the dirt out. So I set it to the edge, just like that. I first scalp it. I get off the sod, okay? And then I go at it with the auger. So let's take a look-see, see how she does. This tall grass is not great for the auger. And make my way around. So the auger is there to break it all up, and then I put it on. I get rid of the dirt. That's what you'll kind of get. Oh, there's some new root growth right there. That's cool. That's cool. I saved the bag for labels. And you just gotta make sure that the grafted little nub here, this part right here, where it's been grafted onto the rootstock, this has to be above the ground. Above your soil line should be like right under it. I just go to town, covering it up. There ain't no science to it. It ain't rocket science. If you were to put some fertilizer or some cow manure or something like that, or that was cool. I just put the mulch back on top. They say don't put it in the hole. I always did that in the past because I thought, oh, let's give it a little boost, you know, some vitamins. I guess not, because then it doesn't encourage the roots to spread out and look for nutrients. Otherwise, it causes the roots to come into themselves, and then and that's how you get root rot, disease, and it just doesn't create a healthy tree. So that's what I heard. That's how I'm gonna do it today, and we'll see what it does. I'll see you guys back here in like 6 years, okay? All right, just subscribe, and then we'll see a video in 6 years. Okay. All right, cool. Now I stake it in the ground to keep it from going crazy with the wind. Yeah, that's it, easy peasy. And that's how you do it, boys and girls. How cool would this be if I could do like, oh, that's tight. Anyway, that's that, guys. That's the fruit tree. What else do you want from it? It's a beautiful day to be planting trees. Anyway, I got more to do. This was number 7. I thought I had 12, but I have 13. So this was number 7. So I got 6 more to do. Anyway, I will catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe, hit the like, do what you want. I don't care, I ain't your daddy. But if I was, I'd tell you a thing or two. Anyway, what? Anyway, y'all take it easy. Till next time. Peace!